Hello, Year 7 Computer and Reading. Today we're going to take a look at some tutorials on how to use Weebly. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the website URL. So it's simply create a new tab and students.weebly.com. Now when you get there, you're going to type in your username and password, which I've given to you. Click Login. Once this loads up, you may need to start by creating a new page. So the first thing is it's going to ask you about a website subdomain. That's simply your website name. So I'm going to go Year 7 Car Nagel, and it's available. So we'll click Continue. Alright, anything on the left side here you can drag in. So let's go ahead and change this website here to Geraldton, or wherever you're from. We're going to edit this title to say About. Now, for this website, you need to use free to use images. So you need to click a new tab and go to the Creative Commons search. So we'll click on this link. Now you can select any kind of media that you like. So let's go ahead and select Google Images, and let's search for Geraldton and click Search. Alright, let's say for our background that we'd like to use this one. So what's important is that you select the View Image tab so that you get... Now, your screen will not have this. Let's see. That's interesting. Alright, let's just try a different one. So we'll use instead this one. Alright, this will work. So we'll right click our mouse, save image. We're going to save it into our pictures. So I'm going to call this one Geraldton Tree. Now back in Weebly, we can click on our background and edit background. We're going to change out the image. So add. And we need to upload the image. So upload. And we saved it into our pictures on the left. And there it is, Geraldton Tree. Give it a couple seconds. Now you can change some options here and then click Save, the top right corner, really important. Now that's kind of what I want, but let's edit the background again. I actually want the tree in there. There you go. Alright, next, for this first page, let's change the title and let's put in some information. So how about some history of Geraldton? So we can drag some text in next, below it. And we're going to create a new tab and look up some history of Geraldton. So we can click on this link. Try not to use Wikipedia. So the history of Geraldton began about 40,000 years ago. It's 424 kilometers north of Perth. Alright, so let's pop some information in. Geraldton is located 424 kilometers north of Perth. Okay, so add in here what you think is important for history. Alright, so I won't put it all in there, but you can put some more stuff in here. Okay, let's add another image in just to kind of show Geraldton. I might try to find a map of Geraldton. So back in my, let's go back a little bit to the Creative Commons Geraldton map. Let's see if we can find one now. Excellent. So let's load, I like this one. Let's load this one up. That's not going to work today. Let's try a different one. Having a bit of difficulty today. I think it doesn't like my computer. That's okay. Let's see if we can find something else. This one looks alright. Let's try this one. Alright, well, I'm going to right click and save this image. And let's call this one Geraldton Map. So I'm going to click on the button for upload image, upload from my computer, and let's load in the map. Cool. So that's pretty much about how Weebly works. I'll show you one last feature. You can drag in a YouTube video, so that can go in here. Alright, so if I click on my picture, we need to find a YouTube video, so I'll just go back to my Creative Commons, click YouTube, let's type in Geraldton. Whoop. Alright, so that brings up some interesting stuff. So we could probably talk about, let's use this one here. We can use the Geraldton foreshore. Let's put that one up. So what you need is the URL, which is up here. So I'm going to right click and copy that. Go back to Weebly. Click in the URL, right click and paste. And click outside of here and we get our video. So that's the most basic features: YouTube, images, text, and titles. Now the last section that we'll talk about today is under pages. You need to click plus because we need to have a couple more standard pages. So you also need landmarks. Okay, you need to have, you can choose either sports available in Geraldton, or food. What kind of food is available? So hog's breath, where can you go get a good meal from? And finally, pick an interest of your choice. So you could type in something like my hobby. Or you could even change that if you'd like to say fun things to do. So you could talk about what you like to do. So finally, to change any of these, you just click back on build, click on the page, so landmarks, and for this assignment you probably need to input 4 or 5 landmarks of Geraldton into this page, along with some text describing the landmarks, where they might be found and what's at them. So finally, to save, click publish, click continue, and that's our website, and it is live. So this is the password should be Nagel in capital N, and there you go. There's my website. So I hope this is going to guide you on some things. For Thursday, you need to add, let's work on landmarks. Try to add 4 or 5 landmarks, or you can work on the home page or the about and work on some of that. Thank you for watching.